On this video today, I'm going to show you a super easy strategy that you can use to make money with affiliate marketing as a complete beginner without any skills and without any experience. This method does not require any investment, so make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I will show you everything that you need to know about this method. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. The first step is that you have to join an affiliate network where you can find products to promote. In this case, we are using Clickbank. So once you create your accounts on Clickbank and log in, what you have to do is that you have to come right here, click on the marketplace so that you can find digital products to promote. Once you click on the marketplace, you're going to see a page like this. So now the next step is that you are going to find a category where you can find digital products to promote. There are a lot of different categories that you can find on Clickbank. You can see health and fitness, e-business and e-marketing, spirituality, new age, alternative beliefs, self-help, home and garden, cooking, food and wine, and many others. In this video, what we are going to be doing is that we are going to be promoting a product under the e-business and e-marketing. So click on it. Once you click on it, you are going to see a page like this. So what you have to do is that you have to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see a lot of different digital products that you can promote. You can see a whole lot of them. As I scroll, you can see many of them that you can promote. So what we are going to be doing is that we are going to be looking at the gravity score. So we are going to sort the products based on the gravity score. The gravity score is based on the number of unique affiliates that have made sales promoting the product. So we are going to sort the products based on the gravity so that we can get the products that are trending right now. To sort the products, you are going to click right here. Once you click on it, you can see the different ways that you can sort the products. You can see a whole lot of them. In this case, we are going to select gravity. You can see high to low. We are going to select that, so click on it. Once you click on it, you can see this is the product that has the highest gravity under this category. So it means if you promote this product, the likelihood of you getting a sale is very high. But it is not always the case that you should promote the first product. You can promote any of the products that has a gravity score more than 50. So any of the products on Clickbank, you can promote it and still make money. So what we are going to do is that we are going to scroll down and then select one of them to promote. You can see the second product is get paid to use Facebook, Twitter and YouTube. The gravity score is very high and you can see this is the commission rate, $25.60. That is the amount that you are going to be paid per every sale that you get. You can see the third one, paid online writing jobs. The gravity score is also high and you can see they have recurring rebill. It means they have an upsell product that they are going to promote to the customer once they buy the main product. So anytime your potential customers buy the upsell product, you are going to be earning $35.60. And you can see this is the main commission rate, $132.57. That is the amount that you are going to earn per every sale that you get promoting the product. So now what we are going to be doing is that we are going to be promoting this product right here. To promote the product, what you have to do is that you have to look at the affiliate support page so that you can find materials that you can use to promote the product. This is the affiliate support page. Click on it, affiliate page. Once you click on the affiliate page, you are going to see a page like this. So now what you have to do is that you have to scroll down so that you can look at the resources that you can use to promote the product. You can see they have a lot of different resources that you can use to promote the product. They have email swipe, banners, Facebook ad images, Pinterest pins and many other resources that you can use to promote the product. In this case, we are interested in the places where the product is getting a lot of sales. So click right here, demographics. Once you click on the demographics, you can see the different information about the product. The audience are females. You can see between the age of 35 and above. You can see it. These are the gadgets that they use. People who use tablets are likely to buy the product. Those who use desktop, they are the second group of people who are likely to buy the product. And you can see mobile is third. So it means that when we target tablets, we can get many people to buy the product. Once you get to know the devices, you are going to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see the countries where the offer is getting a lot of sales. You can see the first one is United States, the second is Australia, third is Canada, fourth is United Kingdom, fifth is Croatia, and then the sixth is Italy. So these are the countries that you have to target if you want to run ads. So now once you have gotten this basic information about the product, the next step is that we are going to begin to promote it so that we can get people to buy it. So you are going to come back on Clickbank. Once you come back on Clickbank, you have to get your affiliate link. To get your affiliate link, you are going to click right here, promote. Once you click on promote, you are going to see a page like this. Click right here, create hop link. Once you click on create your hub link, you can see this is your unique affiliate link. So anytime you get people to buy the product through this affiliate link, you are going to be earning a commission. So now the next step is that you are going to build a landing page so that you can get people to click on your affiliate link and then purchase the product. There are a lot of different free platforms that you can use to build your landing page. If you want, you can use Google Site. As you can see, I have built a simple landing page using Google Site. You can see everything in the landing page. You can see it is a very simple landing page that can grab the attention of the visitors. In one of the videos, I taught you step by step on how to create a simple landing page like this. So you can get the video in the description box to watch and then follow the steps so that you can create a simple landing page like this. Once you create the landing page, you are going to insert your affiliate link in the image, insert your affiliate link in the call to action, as you can see mine right here. Once you insert your affiliate link, you are going to click right here, publish. Once you click on publish, you can publish your landing page. In this case, I've already published this landing page, so I don't need to publish it again. So now once you have published your landing page, the next step is that you are going to get a link to your landing page so that you can begin promoting your landing page. To get the link to your landing page, click on this icon right here. Once you click on it, you can see this is the link to your landing page. Click right here, copy, so that you can copy it. Once you copy it, you can test it on a new tab so that you can see how your landing page will appear. As you can see, this is the landing page. You can see this is how it is going to appear to our potential visitors. You can see everything. So anytime they click on apply now, they are going to be directed to a product through my affiliate link, and if they buy the product, I'm going to be earning a commission. So now once you have your landing page, the next step is that you are going to be driving traffic to this landing page so that you can get many people to click on your call to action and then purchase the product for you to earn money on Clickbank. If you want, you can use free traffic or you can use paid traffic. Both of them works, but paid traffic you are going to be getting fast results, and the free traffic you can get results, but it might take some time. In this case, I'm going to show you the free traffic source. In another video, I'll show you the paid traffic source so that you can use any of them that you want to promote the product. The next step is that you're going to come on this website, myarticles.io. On this website, you can publish an article for free without paying for anything. So what we are going to be doing is that we are going to publish an article on this website so that we can get people to read the article and then click on our landing page. Once they click on it, most of the people can buy the product for us to earn money on Clickbank. So what you have to do is that you have to write a nice article and then publish it on this platform. You can see a lot of people have posted their articles on the platform. You can see a lot of different articles. And the best part is that you can publish your article in any category that you want. You can publish your article in technology category, business and finance, English. When you scroll down, you can see health and education. So any of these categories that you want, you can write an article and then publish it on this website so that you can drive traffic to your landing page. In this case, what we are going to be doing is that we are going to be using ChatGPT to write an article for us so that we can publish it on this website. So you are going to create a ChatGPT account. Once you create your account and log in, what you have to do is that you have to write a prompt right here so that it can generate an article for you. So let's type something like write an article about how to make money online writing, something like this. Once you type your prompt, you are going to click right here, send, so that it can write the article for you. As you can see, it is writing the article. You can see it is writing the article. So as I scroll, you can see it is writing the article. So now what you have to do is that you have to create an account on myarticles.io so that we can publish the article. To create an account, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, register. Once you click on register, you are going to see a page like this. What you have to do is that you have to enter your username, email address, password, repeat your password. Once that is done, you are going to enter your full name right here. Once you enter your full name, you are going to enter your date of birth. You can see it right here. Once that is done, you are going to write a biography about yourself. Just write some brief information. Once that is done, you're going to select your favorite topics. So just click on it and then select any of these topics. You can see any of them that you want. You can just click on it and select it as your favorite topic. You can see a lot of them. Once that is done, you're going to write your interest right here. So just write some brief information about what you like. Once you have written that, you're going to click right here, complete sign up, so that you can create your free accounts. Once you create your accounts and log in, you're going to see a page like this. So now what you have to do is that you have to publish your article on the platform. To publish your article, you are going to click on your profile right here. Once you click on it, you are going to select new article. Click on it. Once you click on it, you're going to see a page like this. So now what you have to do is that you have to type the title of your article right here. So you are going to come back on ChatGPT and then copy the title. Just come back. Once you come back, you can see there's a title right here. Highlight and copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, you are going to paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. As you can see, categories. Click on it and then select the category that best match your article. So in this case, our article is about business and finance, so select that. Once you select that, you can see click to select a tag. Click on it. Once you click on it, you are going to tag your article. So just select the one that you want. In this case, I'm going to select marketing. Once you select that, the next step is that you are going to copy and paste your article right here. So you are going to come back on ChatGPT and then highlight and copy the entire article. Just highlight and copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, you are going to paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, the next step is that you are going to insert your affiliate link in the article so that when people click on it, they can be directed to the product through your affiliate link. So we are going to type a call to action right here. We can type something like, click here to get paid to write online without any experience. Just type a call to action like this. Once you type your call to action, the next step is that you are going to insert the link to your landing page right here. So you are going to come back on Google site so that you can get the link to your landing page. To get the link to your landing page, you are going to click on this icon. Once you click on it, you can see this is the link to your landing page. Click right here, copy link. Once you copy the link, you are going to come back on your article, highlight your call to action. Once you highlight it, click on this icon. Once you click on it, you are going to paste your link right here. As you can see, that has been done. Press enter and you can see your call to action is now linked to your affiliate link. The next step is that you are going to highlight and copy it. Just highlight and copy it. Once you copy your call to action, the next step is that you are going to scroll down and then paste it at any part of the article. So just scroll down, you can paste it right here. Let's paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you can also paste it at the bottom of the article. So let's paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once you have your call to action in the article, the next step is that you are going to upload an image. So we are going to upload an image about money. To get a free image, what you have to do is that you have to come on this website, pexels.com. Once you're on the website, you can search for any image that you want. There are a lot of images that you can use on this website for free without any copyright strike. So you are going to type the kind of image that you want. In this case, we are going to search for work from home images. Work from home. Just search for work from home. Once you search for work from home, you can see a lot of different images that you can use. In this case, we are going to select this image right here. So click right here to download it. Once you click on it, it is going to be downloaded. As you can see, the image is downloading. Once you have downloaded your image, the next step is that you are going to click right here, choose image, so that you can upload your image. Once you click on that, you are going to select your image, click on open. As you can see, the image is uploading. You can see it has finished uploading. As you can see, it is generating your image. You can see it. We are going to wait for it to generate the image. As you can see, this is the image. Once you have uploaded the image, the next step is that you are going to publish your article. To publish it, you are going to click right here, save and move it under review. You want to submit our article to the website, so just click on it. Once you click on it, you are going to see a page like this. You can see your article is under review. When the editor approves it, you will get a notification. So your article has been submitted to the website, and once they approve it, you are going to be getting traffic to your landing page. Apart from this website, you can also publish your article on another site that is equally going to help you to get traffic to your landing page. The next website that you can submit your article is articlebees.com. On this website, you can submit your article and then get traffic to your landing page. You can see submit your top articles for maximum exposure and drive traffic to your website. So you have to also submit another article on this website and then include your link so that you can drive traffic to your landing page. You can see these are some of the categories that you can submit your articles. You can see a lot of them. So what you have to do is that you have to just click right here, submit article. Once you click on it, you are going to create a publisher account so that you can submit your articles on this website and get traffic to your landing page. So that is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.